my channel. It's me, Kandi, and today we are going to be using a one brand video. I don't know where that came from. That sounded really country for a minute. Anyway, in my last video, I will link it up here. You saw my color Raine haul, and today we are going to be using those products on this lovely face here today. Do you see this? Do you see this lipstick? I did 3, not different than 1, but 3 different lipsticks from them that I will show you that goes with this look. We did all the eyeshadow and all the lipstick choices, all from color Raine. So we used the palette called Queen of Hearts, and we literally used all of these shimmers. If you are joining me for the first time, then welcome. If this is your returning time and you're coming back to check out your girl Candyland over here, really appreciates it, and I love you so much for it. It's really appreciated. And yeah, again, I'm gonna stop rambling on because I do this all the time, and I know you guys want to know how I got this dang look. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get this bad boy started. Okay guys, so as you can see, my face is completely done, as well as my eyebrows, and we are going to be working with this gorgeous puppy here. I am uber excited, can you tell? So my plan is to use literally every single shade in here so you guys can see, and also for myself, what these shades look like. And let's just go ahead and dive right in. So the first shade we are going to go into is Impress. And we're going to place that directly above my crease and then blend that out. Now to go ahead and define that crease just a little bit, we're going to go in with Royal Prerogative, and we're going to go ahead and place it directly on the crease and then blend that out. Now to deepen the crease, we're going to go in with Duchess, and we're going to place that directly on the crease and again blend that out. Now to give the crease a little bit more of a color, we're going to go in with Ladyship, and we're going to place that directly on the outer corner of my crease, and then we're going to blend that inwards. And then once that has been placed on with the more smaller brush, we're going to use my MAC 224 brush, and then we're going to blend that more into the crease. Now to go ahead and create my cut crease, we're going to go in with the NYX Conceal, Contour, and Correct palette, and we're going to place that directly on my lid, creating that crease. And we're going to be creating an entire lid crease, not just a half crease. And like I said before, we are going to be doing all the shades here, and I just kind of wanted to show you the shimmers so you can see how pigmented they are. And the first one we have is Royal Duchess, the second is Your Majesty, the third one is Queen Mother, the fourth one is Noble Woman, the fifth one is Dethrone, and the last one that I forgot to swatch for you is actually Crown, and Crown will go in the inner corner of my eye. And as I told you before, we're going to go ahead and place crown in the inner corner of my eye. And then we're going to go back in with Ladyship, and we're going to put Ladyship on the bottom corner of my lash line here, and we're going to smoke that out. Then we're going to go back in with Ladyship with that same fluffy brush, and we're going to go ahead and smoke out that purple. And I realized the only two colors I did not use is Princess and Air, and watch out for that. That's going to be another look coming to you guys soon. So I'm going to start rambling on, and yeah, let's go into the 3 lip swatches, guys. What do you guys think? I really like this palette. Like, it's insanely how much I like this palette, and the pigmentation on these shimmers are amazing. Like, I know I'm being extra by using all of the shimmers, but if you're new here, I'm sorry, but I'm extra. Now let's go ahead and move on to the lips, which is one of my favorite parts of this videos. If you haven't watched it already, but you should check out the haul that I did with Raine, and I picked up 3 lipsticks, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put them on for you because I think with the variety that I got, all 3 of these shades should work with this look. And we're going to start off with the more nude shade, since that's the more lighter shade. And this shade is called Soul, and this is the lipstick shade. It's a super gorgeous, like, mauve brown tone. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm not going to put any liner on it because I really do want to show you guys, and I also want to see, because this is my first impressions with you guys. Also with the palette, first time using it. We're gonna go ahead and use this, and again, I'm not gonna use any type of liner because I really want to see how this is going to work for my skin tone. Wow, that is seriously new. This might be my new nude. This might be my favorite nude. So this is Soul. Holy shit, man, this is like really gorgeous. It's super pigmented. It glides on very nice. It's not chalky. Okay, so the next shade that we're gonna go into is Rain Fever. Just kidding. Just kidding. Y'all, do you see this? This is really pretty. I like this. I gotta say, the product amount that you get on the applicator isn't that great. However, I only had to do 2 swipes to get this amount of product onto my lips. The applicator itself is nice and flat at an angle, so it's not bad at all. It's not stinging me. It's still lightly matte, but as you can see, as it oxidizes, it's changing. It's getting like a little darker. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so the last lipstick that I got is the shade Cherry Blossom. A nice bright red. And also a side note, them suckers stuck on tight. I mean, I only had that matte on for a minute, and it took me about 5 to get off, so. Applicator is different from the last one. It's a more flat applicator, and let's just go ahead and try it on. Automatically, this guy's on super smooth. Y'all, do you see this? Do you see how bright and vibrant this lipstick is? Like, holy Toledo. Alright guys, so this is Cherry Blossom. Can we say hell yeah? Like, This color is really great, and it's mattifying right too. It's definitely oxidizing right now. I like it. I like my new red. That is such a gorgeous red. My mom would like this red. Okay guys, well, this is the final part of the video. I hope you guys like it. Let me know your comments down below on the palette, and also which one is your favorite lipstick shade. Do you like the nude? Do you like the purple? Or do you like the deep berry, baby? I honestly can't tell which one I like the best. They all go so great with this look. And that was what I wanted to do with this palette. I really wanted to showcase the palette itself, and then to also show you with the black owned brand and geared towards women of color. Definitely is catering to us darker toned women. I mean, look at the shadow, look at the pigmentation, look at the pigmentation on the lipsticks. It's definitely, when you oxidize it and let it dry for a little bit, you could definitely see the payoff on the lip color, and they're really affordable. It's not like you wouldn't be paying more for any other palettes for another name brand. I don't have no complaints about this. Again, this is my first time trying out the palette. The colors themselves were very velvety texture. It was very smooth, so smooth when I was blending it together. It was so beautiful, and like, it wasn't chalky. I will say there is a lot of fallout on it. However, if you just tap it on where the eyeshadow pan is, this is literally gorgeous. The mirror is amazing. I did use the mirror, but I really do love this palette. It really is a great palette. And when you think about it, the shadows, I think when I looked on their website, was like $8 a piece. So you get 12 shadows for 50 bucks, and if you did the math, if you get 12 shadows for $8 a piece, it's way more. Color wise, it's perfect. I mean, this is great for summer, fall, spring. Even if you could just do like just certain colors on this fall. So I honestly think this is going to be one of my favorites for the month of March. I believe this is going to take over a lot of palettes that I've had used in the past couple videos. I also think these lipsticks are definitely going to be worn on a daily, if not in more videos. So I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you like the eyeshadow. I can't think of anything else. That's pretty much it. So I want to just say thank you so much, guys, for taking the time to watch this video. If this is your first time here, then you might as well go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I know you like this video. I know you're more intrigued, like, damn, what the heck is this girl gonna do next? And so if you want to, is go ahead and click that subscribe button, and don't forget to get the notification bell. If you are my returning fam, thank you so much. I really do love you guys, and your love and support is fantastic. It's so amazing. So mwah. Thank you so much, guys. And if you haven't already, please don't forget to check me out on my other sites of social media. I definitely do a lot of different things and little mini videos and like lip stuff more on my Instagram accounts. As far as my Twitter account, I do use it. I keep forgetting to talk on, like, do stuff on it. But I do like using Twitter, and I'm trying to get better at that. So check me out on those other medias. If you need that information, will be linked up down below, and the Instagram is up top here. So thank you so much, guys, for taking the time to watch this video. Again, I'm going to stop rambling on, and I'm just going to go ahead and end this thing. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye!